Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 1. Its title is My Family. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we'll continue reading and understanding the text. Yesterday we read first 3 paragraphs. Today is the last paragraph. So we'll read it today. And in grade 2, I have already taught you through while reading questions, few strategies. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch these video lectures again and we'll extend the practice to locate specific factual information to answer short questions based on the text and take dictation of familiar words studied in class. These are today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Ibrahim, verse 41, Our Lord, forgive me and my parents and all the believers on the day of judgment. Yes, my dear children, yesterday I told you this verse teaches us the manner of making dua. You start making dua from yourself, then your parents, your family, and the whole Muslim Ummah. And what we are asking for forgiveness. And also this verse tells us the importance of family. Okay, so that is the title of our unit as well. Okay, yesterday we read these 3 paragraphs. So this is the point from where I'll start reading. All of you open your book, be on the mark, and first tell me which time of the day the family is quiet. I want to find out. Yesterday I asked you read at home. So if you have read and you can recall, so tell the answer of this question to your teacher. Yes, my dear students, I hope all of you answered correctly. At what time the family is quiet? At night, when all are asleep. Good. So I'm going to start reading. Listen carefully. My mother and my grandmother share the kitchen work because my mother is also working woman. My uncle loves me a lot. He brings lots of chocolates for me. My aunt is caring and loving too. She brings gifts and things for us. She helps us doing our homework. She sometimes plays badminton and cricket with us. I help my younger sister with her homework. Here, you see, beta, one, the elder is helping the younger, and your uncle and your aunt are helping you, and Usman is helping his younger sister. This is how we should live in a family. Like we should be caring about our younger. So whatever you get from your elders, you should pass it on to your youngers. Good. I learn values like sharing, patience, kindness from my family. So these are the values, means the way we should spend life. What is that? Sharing. And it's very famous to say sharing is caring. So we should share with our family and we should be patient. What does patience mean? Ability to tolerate something without being annoyed. If something wrong has happened, stay patient. It's okay, no problem. It will be settled down soon, inshallah. And kindness, it's also a gesture of loving from my family. Okay. Families should be loving and kind to each other. so all of us can grow together. First, you tell me, what does Usman learn from his family? Pause the video and answer this question to your teacher. Yes, my dear children, I hope you answered that. Usman learned the values sharing, patience, kindness, and there are many more things. Beta, when there is a question, you may answer this question in your own word as well, right? And the next thing is, families should be loving and kind to each other so all of us can grow together. What does this grow together mean? Beta, when we take care of each other, we feel good, we are happy, and then we are more productive. Grow together means then whatever we are doing, we can do it in a better way, in a better manner. So this is how families grow, and this is how nations grow. So in our family, when we are caring, we are loving, we are kind, it means when we will be an adult, when you are a child, you are caring at home, when you will be a grown person and you will be in society, you will be definitely doing good over there as well, right? So this is how we grow together. Now it's time for, I'm stopping reading over here. Teachers, kindly pause the video, make the children to read, then we'll proceed. Yes, my dear children, are you done with reading? Okay, so it's time for comprehension. How can we grow as a family? We just read it. So answer this question to your teacher orally first and then write in your notebook. Teacher, kindly take the answer of these questions from students and then make them to write in their notebooks. Pause the video, answer the questions. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So you complete this exercise in your book, choose and write correct words, okay? Now there are different options you will read because you have just read the text, so you can select the correct option. So pause the video and complete this exercise in your book. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Okay, so it's time for dictation. Yesterday I told you, you'll prepare for dictation. So all of you, notebooks are there in front of you. Make your page ready. I'm going to take your dictation. Yes, my dear children, are you ready? Okay, so I'll say the word 2 times. You'll listen carefully and then I'll give you 5 seconds to write that word. The first word is duty. Duty. Share. Share. Search. Search. Kindness. Kindness. Grow. Grow. Stop it. Stop writing and drop your pencils. Teacher, kindly collect the notebook, check the children's dictation work and give them feedback and to make them to correct their mistakes. This is how we take dictations. If you want to continue this practice, you may give them more words for dictation. And what I suggest, dictation should not be for the given words because we just read the text. You may ask them to read the text again and again you can take a word bank for dictation, right? Okay, my students, so after dictation, it's a time for individual activity. You will find words with soft and hard sound of C. Remember, I have taught you soft and hard sound of C. So you will find the words from your lesson. Okay, pause the video, find the words and say these words to your teacher. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. You are learning quickly, mashallah. So I'm giving you homework. Read the text again at home and write 10 nouns from the text in your notebook. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, this is a very interesting worksheet. You will look at the pictures, you will predict this story, then you will read it, look at the picture, predict the story. This is how you will keep reading and keep finding how your prediction was about this story. So in this way, what we have learned today, we learned to locate specific information from text, and we practiced to locate specific information from text by answering short questions, and we took dictation of few words from the text. In this way, we achieved our SLO to locate specific factual information to answer short questions based on the text and take dictation of familiar words studied in class. Are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it, right? Okay, beta, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.